Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer rental listings using LoopNet for investors, full guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the LoopNet website. Log into your LoopNet account using your username and password. Once logged in, locate the Listings tab in the main navigation menu. Click on the Listings tab to view your current rental listings. Identify the rental listing you wish to transfer. Click on the individual listing to open its details page. Check the information on the details page to ensure everything is up to date. On the details page, look for the Transfer Listing option typically found in the Settings or Action menu. Select the Transfer Listing option. You may be prompted to enter the recipient's email address or LoopNet username. Input the recipient's information carefully. Review the transfer details displayed on the screen for accuracy. If everything looks correct, confirm the transfer by clicking the Submit or Confirm button. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that the transfer has been successfully initiated. Inform the recipient so they can check their LoopNet account for the new listing. Once the recipient accepts the transfer, the listing will appear in their account. Encourage the recipient to review and update the listing as needed after the transfer. Keep a record of the transfer for your own records in case any issues arise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.